Election update. They say that the APC is already winning the election today while the election is still going on. In Imo State and Kogi, the result is finally out. Why the people are still voting? Now, wow, things they happen. Let's go and look into the matter we will get for hand today. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today are the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Let's quickly jump into this update where we get for our hand today. They say that APC have already printed more than 2,000 PVC in order way for them to win the election in Imo State. And as it's going on right now, they say that the result is finally out, especially in Kogi and in Imo State. We are going to play the video for you to see what is going on. And as we are talking now, the many people are reporting since yesterday through our brother Nosonkwa, telling them what is going on, and today is manifesting. Let's play this video. The moment the result of APC leak by INEC, let us show you the video for you to watch. The election is going on, but the result is out.
Let's see this. Sorry. Allow us to see it now. Are we not supposed to see it? When you people are going, we cannot use it. Madam, are we not supposed to see it? We cannot use it. If we are not using it, we are not using it. There's no election. We will not vote till the right thing is done. We are not going to vote. Yes, yeah. Bring it out. Madam, bring it out. My agent, bring it out, madam. Bring it out. Are you part of the rigging? If you're not part of it, bring it out. Let us see it. See what is happening. See it. You have used. See what is happening. They've already rigged the election already. They are bringing it for us. See it. Look at them. They are supposed to see it. Isn't that what I don't know? Let me show to her. Good. Let's see this. What happened? Why did it? That means there was something. They have already rigged the election. Look at it. The election has already been rigged. The election has already been concluded. Why are you waiting now? Why did we come here? Who is deceiving who? Who is deceiving who? Stand up. It will not work. It will not work. This one is the fake one. At the video ram. Come and see what I'm doing. Sit down, man. Don't read the election finish. We want my video. It's a laugh. You know, they don't even know. Who should calm down? I don't know. Like when I brought the result out, all of these numbers are so I met all the SPO that is in charge of this unit.
Yeah, my people, this is the moment the result leak. No be smart, you know. As they talk right now, they say that the INEC that come to different polling unit, you know, are packing their material, going back why nobody have ever vote. So tell me how they will call the result in Imo State, why people did not vote. Let us bring you this video for you to watch the moment they are leaving their various polling unit. No be smart, you know, the election na bobo today.
This is 9:30. 9:30.
This is 9:30.
This is 9:30, and the INEC officials are already going back to their various offices. There is no election.
This is 9:30. The INEC official already packed their
9:30 a.m. There is no
materials going back to INEC office. 9:30 a.m. 9:30 a.m.
Going back.
9:30 a.m. You can see the crowd.
9:30 a.m.
You can see the
We are not trying to go back again. We need good government. We are not saying there shouldn't be election, but let it be free and fair.
So this is 9:30 a.m. Already INEC officials have already gathered their materials, taking it back to INEC office at the local government secretariat.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, no be smart in the the update where would they get right now, and I be say for Kogi, he said the local government chairman of APC, he said for that place now they don't capture them with so many guns and the other army where the ammunition was where they carry, where they want to take on destroy the election. You can see he said na government now then still be the people where they cause problem for various states, especially this APC. APC is the one who is behind all these things happening in various states. Oh, if you know people don't know it nice. APC during presidential election, APC every election, APC can't win any state without all this rigging and all this violence. They cannot win any state. Nigerians have to wake up and see what APC is doing in their how they are turning your state to war zones. So yeah, my people, as I said, this is a quick update. I want you to share this video. This is what we are bringing you now. It's happening now, and we are bringing it to you for you to see what is going on today, being the 11th of November, which is the governor election in Imo State and other states. Okay, my people, we'll quickly bring more updates for you as it is hot. May you share this video.